Okay, there they are. There it is. Cool. Alright, we got James. I feel like I've typed this list of names 5 times tonight. Mike, Dan, Mark. I just got a case of this today, so more coming. I mean, I'll do it as a case if you want, or we can just split them up. I can even do 1 box at a time, dirt cheap, every night of the week if you want, to make it easy. I don't care. Whatever you want to do. Give me some ideas and feedback, and I'll gladly do it. I also got a case of HTA Bowman Chrome and a case of Hobby Bowman Chrome yet. And I think that's it. I've got some cool other stuff here that I've had that I'm going to be posting as well. And I've got some Immaculate Baseball coming in. So a lot of cool stuff coming this week. James, Pedro, Troy, Bob's in this. We got Trevor. Trevor's already in. Troy's in. Will. Alright, I have the checklist up too. I'm not a huge football guy. I'm kind of just keeping it moving, so bear with me. I might be looking some of these up. Harris, David. There he is. Got the Eagles. Toby. Whoop. Toby McGee. Got them. Calf is he in? Yep. Dan, Dominic. And I think that's it. Boom. Alright, team-wise, how it worked out on this guy. We have James Leary got the Cardinals and Falcons. Ravens went to Mike Falver. Dan DeClerc got the Bills. Panthers, James Leary. Bears, Mark Sieber. Trevor Huber won the Bengals in the random. Congratulations there. Hopefully I can pull you a Burrow hit. Yeah, Tyler's just burned out right now. He's finishing up a pretty big contest with his work, and he's only got about a week left. So I was like, you know what? We haven't done football. We got to keep football moving. So I just grabbed a couple boxes, and he's going to actually be doing a Bowman Chrome serial number break. I think he asked me to do that the other day. So look for that. I think he said he's going to do it right as I finish my case right now, because he has one sitting there. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not worried about it. I'll keep it coming. Where was I? Trevor. The Browns is Trevor as well. Cowboys Pedro. Broncos Troy Huber. Lions Troy Huber. Packers Pedro. Texans James Leary. Colts Pedro. Jaguars Jaguar Bob Surtek. Chiefs James Leary. Raiders Trevor Huber. Chargers Will Corrales. Rams Corey Carell. Dolphins and Vikings Mark Sieber. Patriots John Ketteris. Saints James Leary. Giants Trevor Huber. Jets Bob Surtak. Eagles David Milowski. I'm trying on that one. Steelers Toby McGee. 49ers Mike Kefauver. Seahawks Dan DeClerc. Buccaneers Dominic Artuso. Titans Troy Huber. And Redskins Dominic Artuso. This is how this little guy played out. And you know I like Immaculate, so I had no issue getting Immaculate football. I was like, yeah, I'll do that. All right, so I've got top loaders are out. I've got thicker ones in, extra ones. Let me put these over here. I need to do a packing day big time. That'll be happening tomorrow, so look for tracking numbers. We're getting all this stuff shipped out to you. catch myself back up and get rolling for the weekend. Alright, let me get another one of these. I think I need 12 total. That should be enough. Alright. And I have the checklist. Yeah, I'm not real big. I don't know if somebody wants to volunteer Googling fast and like what team each guy's going to, because I only know a few. I'm not big with football. I can do it if the logos are there, but I'm not a big football guy. Tyler likes to do it. But I can. I mean, I'll stop and look if I don't know who it is, because I have the checklist up, and I can Google it too. But if somebody can Google and quick post or comment what team they are, that would be cool. That would speed things up anyway. And then I don't know if you guys heard, but I did get a full case of this. I do have another full case, 5-box sealed case. I mean, I don't have a problem doing it as a case. If it's too expensive, because it is more expensive than baseball, I will break it down to 1 box at a time if you want me to. Half the price of what you just did, and we could do one every night. I don't care. I know this stuff's expensive. I'll try to make it as cheap as I can for you so you can at least get them, you know? Yeah, cool. I appreciate it, because I'm kind of a little bit nervous about this. Because I haven't done football in a while, and I just don't know them all. But I know Burrows. All right. There we go. It looks like we got 3. We got 7 in this one. One's super thick. I'll just put it on the box that's coming up. All right. First card, let's out of here, is going to go to, looks like Josh Jacobs, Alabama, 5 out of 25. So Josh Jacobs. Anybody know it? I can send tins. I don't have a problem with that. I've got like 100 of them. Don't worry, Terry. I got a whole case of it coming. All right, so the Raiders picked this one up. Thank you, Dan. I appreciate it. Makes it easier. So the Raiders pick up a number to 25, Josh Jacobs. Blue parallel, looks like. There you go. Second card's pretty cool. It's a thicker one. It is going to go to Jonathan Taylor. It's a glove card. Look at that. It's pretty set in there, pretty deep. That one's numbered 59 out of 96. Jonathan Taylor. Colts. So the Colts grab that one. This is a thicker one I'm going to have to grab. Give me a second. I'll put that in a magnetic for you. I think I've got a couple of them floating around here. Come on, where are you? Oh, here it is. Got it. I try to keep a few of these on hand at all times for cards that are just too much for a top loader sleeve. And there you go. Colts. So we have Raiders, which is Trevor with the first card. Colts is Pedro. Just got that one. And then we've got a nice jumbo of Colin Johnson. That one's numbered 16 out of 25 over here. Looks like he's from Texas. Colin Johnson, Collin. Yeah, I like the lighting here. The way I have it set up, it's pretty cool. It looks nice. Jags, Bob Surtak. There you go, bud. And then we have an autograph. Rookie card autograph patch, maybe? Wow, that's looking sweet. Look at that autograph. That is a nice signature. Steven Montez, University of Colorado, rookie card. Patch auto, 28 out of 49. Steven Montez, Montez. Washington Redskins. There you go. That's Dominic Artuso. I cannot thank you enough, Dan. There you go. And then, you know me, after a while, I'll start to get to know him if I do them more. Here's another one. Oh, we got a Cole. That's a nice one coming up. I know that one. Brian Edwards. Rookie patch auto. It looks like 63 out of 99. From the Gamecocks. South Carolina. And that's a Raiders hit. Raiders get another one. So that's going to Trevor. There you go. And we got a sweet looking Justin Herbert for Oregon. Rookie patch auto. 16 out of 99. Look at that. That's a sweet looking card. Yeah. Am I right? Chargers. There you go. That's a nice hit. Who got the Chargers? That would be Will Corrales. Nice. That's on card auto and everything. And the last card of the first box is Noah Igbinoghene. Am I right? That's a crazy last name. 20 out of 99. That's just a rookie card autograph, it looks like. And he's from Auburn. Yeah, you like that Herbert one. That's a sweet one for a 2-boxer, right? Yeah, you did get one actually, Bob. And this is a Dolphins, thank you. And that's going to Mark Sieber. And that's just box number 1. Box 2. Here we go. Alright. I got some green tins now to go with my orange and my... I forget the other ones. Sealed. There we go. Get rid of that. All right, here we go. First one is going to Joey Bosa. Chargers. Not Chargers. Is it the Chargers? Or is it the 49ers? 62 out of 99. Buckeyes card. Yeah, you got one. You got a glove, I think. Yeah, glove, thicker card. I knew that one. That's cool. Then we have a jumbo for Cam Akers. 31 out of 99. Yeah. Cam Akers. Yeah, that is a nice card. That's a Rams card. That's going to Corey Carell. We got a thick card here. Is gloves. Darrington Evans. 71 out of 99. That's a nice looking card. Look at that. Indented piece of the glove. It's got a plastic piece in there even. And I'm probably going to have to get... I think I might be able to get that in. I'm not going to force it. We'll set that down for now. I've got thicker top layers. I'll have to put that in. Or I'll have to get a magnetic for it, one or the other. I don't know if I have one floating around. I just redid the whole room again. I like it better this way. All right, and then we've got a Joshua Kelly. Oh, who is that? Evans Titans. That would be Troy Huber gets that one. That gloves card. And that was from the University of West Virginia. And here's Joshua Kelly, number 10 out of 25 blue. Autograph rookie card. Rams. Corey Carell getting that one. We've got a redemption card coming up. And that redemption card is Premium Patches Rookie Autographs Bowl Logo 2. Jalen Reagor. Oh, is he? Oh, maybe I didn't see it. Oh, Kelly is Chargers. Okay, I got you. This guy's the Eagles. Sweet. So that's David Shmilovsky. Grabbing that one. Eagles. All right, so Kelly is the Chargers. I'm sorry. I'm not used to this. I'm trying. I'll get used to it. I'll see him enough times. And then we've got a Laviska Shenault Jr. Rookie patch auto. 16 out of 99. He plays for the Colorado. There you go. And I fully expect Tyler to jump back in. I'm just trying to keep, get football in here. I could get it, and I was looking at it. My guy usually is pretty light on football, and he had this, and I'm like, yeah, just give him to me. Jags on that one. And that is going to Bob Surtek. And our last card is Henry Ruggs III, rookie card auto, 53 out of 99, Alabama player. There you go. Yeah, it's just a quick LS. So Henry Ruggs III, Raiders. Raiders killed it. Raiders got what, 3? Trevor. It's 53 out of 99. Let me see. What's that? Oh, I got you. All right, I see it, Mark. Sorry. I'm just... Troy's video went out. And I'll recap it here in a sec. All right, so... Okay, so looking at him, recapping. Let's see if I got it right. I'll have to... Henry Ruggs III. We also have a Laviska Shenault. We've got Premium Patches Rookie Autographs Bowl Logo number 2 for Jalen Reagor. Joshua Kelly. Cam Akers, Jumbo. Joey Bosa, numbered, 62 out of 99. Noah Igbinoghene, autograph. This is probably the best one, right? Justin Herbert, Oregon. It's like a rookie patch auto of some kind. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. There you go. Then we've got Brian Edwards, same kind of card. We've got Steven Montez. We've got a jumbo for Colin Johnson. We have a Jonathan Taylor gloves. And we've got a, I can't really do this to me, Josh Jacobs, 5 out of 25 blue parallel. And I think I have another one, but if I don't, I'll get another magnetic to get this one in. Darrington Evans gloves. Pretty cool. So that's on a sleeve. That's a 2-boxer. Let me know. I mean, PM me, whatever. I mean, I can do a 5-boxer. I have a sealed case of it, but it's going to be pricey. Or I can do 2 2-boxers and a 1-boxer, or I could do all 1-boxers and just pound them out. It'd be half the price of what this is. And we could do 1 a night, maybe even 2 a night. No problem, anytime. And, yeah, we can get through it pretty quick. That'd be fun. That Herbert was sick. And this sealed case has me thinking, what if we got a Burrows in it? I was watching a break the other day that had him as an Ohio State Buckeye before he transferred. And it was an autograph number to 10. It was pretty cool looking. But yeah, nice Herbert. That's awesome. I will get these packed up and look for tracking numbers starting tomorrow. I'll start pounding this stuff and getting it all out. And Bowman Chrome is close. I've got some fillers up. The Astros and Dodgers are still open if anybody wants them. Otherwise, I'll have to kick them into fillers. But I think the D-backs and the Marlins are pretty close to filling and whatever. Oh, did you? That's sweet. Yeah, cool. I will keep... I'll keep going with it until Tyler wants to pick it back up. And we'll keep going. He will. I'm not worried about it. And if he doesn't, no big deal. I'll keep it moving. So, awesome. Appreciate it. Thank you again. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later.